I'm going to be showing you how to fix Roblox "this experience is currently not available" error. So if you see this "experience is currently not available" error on Roblox, it usually means the game is unavailable, not necessarily that your account is broken. And here's how to figure out the exact cause and fix it. So what you need to know is the game is private or deleted. So sometimes the developer who made the game private or put it under review or deleted it, or it was taken down by Roblox. So what we need to do is check the game from another account. Just ask a friend if they can open it and check the developer's group profile for updates. So if nobody can access it, you'll have to wait. You'll also need to know about age restrictions. So some experiences are 17+ only. So what we need to do is go to your Roblox app. Once you've done that, you just need to look at the top left, find the bar, and tap on settings and tap on account info. And now you need to make sure your birth date is correct. If under 17, you cannot access 17+ games. Roblox will not change your age unless verified. You also need to know about region restrictions. So some games are limited by country. Try different Wi-Fi or mobile data and avoid VPNs. That can cause bans as well. Sometimes it just may be an app glitch. So in all of these ways, you can successfully fix this issue about the experience being currently not available. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.